Tell me about some of the things as we look at street lighting that are important to customers as they go in and do new designs. One of the things, for example, is they want to minimize the amount of replacement time that they have to go out and fix things. So what are some of the factors involved with design related to reliability?
Certainly ease of installation. So we understand that the integrator, it takes time to roll a truck. If you have to roll a truck back out to the site, you've probably lost all of the margin on the deal, and then some. But probably one of the drivers is also flexibility. So you'll see that with the products, you'll see that there is standard products, there is toolless products, so products you don't need tools, which make it easy to install. And then you'll see products that are rotatable. And a rotatable product, what you're talking about is maybe directionalizing that sensor to where is the sunlight. And so you need to directionalize that product. So you see a lot of, I'll call it, value in the product in making it flexible, easy to use, and easy to install.
So as I'm familiar in the standard, there's a couple levels of the product that these consist of, kind of a base, a receptacle, a dome, and a cap. Could you share a little bit about those 4 different categories and what are some of the key characteristics inside of each of those?
Yeah, so typically you'll have a receptacle which will bring typically the power and maybe the sensing contacts.
And that's where you'd have a lot of focus, right?
Yeah, well, but in addition to that, you're going to have gaskets that interface. You need to seal with a couple of things. You need to seal with the luminaire itself, and then you're also going to have a dome or a cap so that will cover the module that will take care of all the sensing activities. At the end of the day, the total solution, whether it is NEMA or Zaga Book 18, is going to be an IP66 rating, so dust and moisture compliance. So you have to think about the streetlights are going to exist 10, 20, 30 years and be out in the elements summer, fall, spring, and winter.
Well, let's step from street lighting. Could you explain then the next major area of outdoor lighting? How is that different from street lighting?
Yeah, in many cases it's very similar. So in street lighting, you can see with the products listed here, you have products that are very much tailored to the luminaire. So you may have a cast luminaire. These are meant to provide wires and connectivity inside of a street pole, interface with a luminaire in a standard fashion, integrate sensors, and those sensors don't have to necessarily just be light detection and lack of light detection. You can have other functionality like cameras and other things that can be integrated along with the street light. Outdoor lighting is very similar.
What I'm hearing you saying is that street lighting and outdoor both require high reliability, but they're tailored for the application. And what you're giving by providing these solutions is the customer downstream the ability to adapt and tailor it, whether they're doing this for something like a highway or something like a building outdoor.
And so in fact, street lighting is a segment of outdoor lighting.